Welcome back. It is me, Mr. Frederick, once again. Glad to share with you this tutorial about this new point system, the McKinney Royal point system that we have in place, and to show you step-by-step procedures, how to log in, and then how to use it, how to find it, and put it into use for your classes. Okay? Without further delay, let us begin. First off, you want to do is log in right here. So you type in Quizizz.com right here, and then you log in. You press this login here. If you haven't logged in, if you don't have an account yet, I recommend signing up and then using the school's email to sign up. Okay? I already have one, so I'm gonna log in. Once you log in, you go to Google, you press continue with Google, and you press your McKinney email. Okay? You put your password in, and now you're in. Okay? Now that you're in, that's how you proceed. You will type in here for the Explorer, McKinney Royal point system. Okay? Once you type that all those 4 words in there, press enter. Once you press enter, it's going to be the 5th block on this list. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 5th one here, which is in blue and gold, and it says McKinney Royal Point System exactly as I typed it, you're going to click on this one right here. Once you click on this one, it has 4 questions to engage students that are coming on in Zoom, Google Meets, or Microsoft Teams. And it has questions like, did you log in class on time? How did I engage today? And there's different responses for them to choose from. How did you interact respectfully with your classmates and teachers? And here's a good list of those questions, a checklist. And the 4th one is very special because is there something that you want your teacher to know about how you engage today? Because there are times when a student they try to type in one of the questions, or they answer one, but it's for some reason it didn't work. It didn't, due to glitches and stuff. So here, the 4th question is the opportunity to express that, to explain that, and to type that out. Okay, and that's really helpful to get in that knowledge. Now, this point system is to help us, like for students, is to celebrate the effort and creativity, okay, and helping others, establishing totally what being a royal is all about, okay. And due to this one, we propose to use this especially as a live quiz. It's recommended. I'm going to show you how that look like, especially when you're in your meetings with the students, both online and in the classroom. You press to start live right here. You press it. I'll recommend instructor pace. That way, everybody advances with the same question together. Okay? Classical means they can all do it in their own pace, and they answer the questions at different order. But instructor pace is really good. So I'm going to pick instructor pace, and everything is pretty much set, and you press continue. And then this is what it's going to look like. It will say this. Students will join in saying joinmyquiz.com. They will get a game code. It won't exactly be this code. It will be different every time for everybody, but it will reflect that. Okay. And once a student logs in, I'm gonna actually log in right now to test that, so that you can see it for yourself how it looks like when a student gets in. I'm logging in right now. I'm gonna type in that. Kids who has the app already, in the Quizizz app, they could log in faster. They just have to open the app, put in a number, put in their name, and that's it. So I'm gonna put in the number now. Boom. 834, 116, 834. Once I join the game, they're gonna ask me for a name. So then I put my name, and I'm gonna put myself as Mr. Frederick, and you see my name appears here in the bottom. Remember, you cannot start this game, this quiz, until one student has participated, has put himself in it. Okay, very key stuff. Very key stuff, because if you try to start it and there's no one there, it's not gonna proceed because there's no participants. All right, but as soon as one person is in, then you can actually officially start it. But you will want to wait for everybody else to start, to be logged in, and then you can start. Okay, you also have the ability, the privilege also, to start it at the student space. Maybe you don't want to wait for everybody. All right, maybe you're a high-paced teacher, a teacher that wants to do it fast and good. Then you can also do it that way as well. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. Hope this was helpful so that we could proceed better and that students can learn better. Take care. This is Mr. Frederick, out.